How can something fake be so valuable? This story is about an 1804 cast supposedly in 1834, but then it was casted again in 1858. Are you confused? So are we. Let's untangle this mystery together, or the notoriety of this counterfeit coin that ended up being one of the most expensive in US history. If you got your hands on an 1804 silver dollar, I got good news for you and I got bad news. Bad news that it wasn't casted in 1804, that it was actually casted a half century later. The good news is it's worth millions. This story begins in 1804 when the US Mint struck 20,000 silver coins with an 1803 cast. Why? I don't know, and I don't know how they didn't catch that. But shortly after, due to traders profiting off the sale of the Spanish-American pieces of 8, the Mint stopped striking these coins. That changed in 1834 because President Jackson needed a diplomatic gift for the King of Siam and other foreign leaders. President Jackson requested pieces of every coin in US circulation, gold, silver, or copper. The US Mint checked its records and saw that silver dollars were struck in 1804, so they made a small batch of silver dollars dated 1804. Now, remember that the 1804 coin was actually dated 1803. This means that in 1834, that was the first time they minted that 1804 coin. They casted 8 pieces of these 1804 coins. I would be surprised if you follow that, but don't worry, there's more to the story. Word got around that the original 1804 coin was dated 1803, and the actual 1804 cast was never used until 1834. And then there's always this one person, that one guy who's got the guts and he's crafty and he finds an opportunity. And in this story, his name is Theodore Eckfeldt. He realized what he had in his hands. He had a piece of history, a historical disaster. So between 1858 and 1860, he secretly and legally printed the characteristics of an 1804 silver dollar on top of existing coins. Eckfeldt sold these illegal strikes, known officially as Class II 1804 silver dollars, to a Philadelphia coin store. So if you have a coin dated 1804, I have good news and bad news. Good news, there are a lot of people who would pay millions to get it. The US Mint actually tracked down these Class II coins and they destroyed them all except for one. Bad news, today the only Class II 1804 silver dollar in the world lives at the Smithsonian Institute. However, one of the Class I coins dated 1804, given to diplomats, was actually sold at auction in 2013 for $3.8 million. Not bad for having something fake. Have you thought about getting something a little bit different? Maybe you want to get a family member a gift and you don't want to get them the same thing that you've always done. Well, we have some incredible rare coins, some rare gold coins that we are offering. We've put together a really interesting set. These are the most important coins in US history from 1850 to the late 1920s. These are all coins that were used in circulation, and we've put them together in one set so that someone can start into investing in rare numismatic coins. I think you're gonna love this set, and it's a great place to start. So if you wanna learn about it, check out our website at Noble Gold Investments. We have a rare coin part of our website, and check out the Legacy collection and see if it's something for you. I think you're gonna love it.